We have our front door right here. We turn to the right this time. And then we have these French doors that lead to our bathroom. A very stately bathroom, very big. Takes a few steps to walk in. Have your sink right there. To your left now is the cleaning chambers with another sink and vanity, very bright, marble-esque floor. We got the John right there. Some darker wood. And then this is gonna be a bath and a shower. Gotta take a step up. Looks like has some fancy amenities in here by whatever brand that might be. That shower head doesn't look that great, but I'm sure it's just fine. We have some more stuff right here. Then we're gonna turn, we're gonna make it back over here. And then one thing about here, they don't have refrigerators, but they have chillers. So you're supposed to like put ice up here, I believe, and then the cool air goes down or whatever. I don't think it works very well. Or put the ice on top of your stuff. They have some robes, nice open face closet. I'm gonna go back into our long hallway into the main room. These are traditional luxury hotels, I would say. Traditional luxury room, very stately. Nice king bed with a little bench right there, and then a seating area with a nice wooden desk, rolling chair. Carpet has the chair has a blue accent. The lamp is blue. Pillows are blue. Got some more blue there too. And then, looks like we have a nice big long window with a balcony just for standing room only if I can get it open. Come in, look at the rest of the property. This is where we can see the Grand Americas right there. Well, I've never seen this. Looks like there's a pool that has water in it. Probably too cold for that. You can see not too many on this floor have balconies. But this is the room.